Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are embarking on a journey into the heart of digital entrepreneurship, uncovering side hustle opportunities that seamlessly integrate with the immersive world of Metaverse. Whether you are a seasoned visionary or just dipping your toes into the digital realm, you are in for an exhilarating ride. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our Metaverse deep dives. Ready to unlock the secrets of Metaverse? Let's jump in. Virtual real estate development. Dive into the burgeoning Metaverse real estate market by strategically investing in virtual land and overseeing the development of innovative digital properties. This involves conceptualizing and creating virtual spaces that cater to specific purposes, such as hosting events, accommodating businesses, or serving as vibrant social hubs. Revenue streams can be diverse, including sales, leasing arrangements, and even hosting fees. Digital asset creation. Immerse yourself in the world of digital creativity by specializing in the design and creation of 3D assets. This could encompass a broad range of virtual items, from fashionable wearables and accessories to in-game assets. What makes this particularly lucrative is the integration of blockchain technology, allowing these digital creations to be tokenized as non-fungible tokens. This not only establishes ownership but also enables trading and showcasing within the metaverse. Metaverse content creation. Channel your creativity into crafting content tailor-made for the metaverse. This might involve the production of immersive visual experiences, interactive storytelling, or engaging videos specifically designed for platforms like VR chat, Decentraland, or other metaverse environments. As user engagement within the metaverse grows, content creation becomes a vital aspect for the digital landscape. Metaverse event planning. Carve out a niche in the digital event planning sector by orchestrating virtual events, conferences, and social gatherings within the metaverse. Your role would include creating unique and immersive experiences for attendees, collaborating with businesses or individuals seeking to host memorable events in the virtual realm. Metaverse marketing and brandings. Position yourself as a metaverse marketing expert, helping businesses establish and enhance their digital presence. This could involve creating and optimizing virtual storefronts, curating marketing campaigns that resonate with the metaverse, and utilizing social platforms to connect with engage and the digital audience. Virtual fashion design. Pave the way in the digital fashion industry by designing and selling virtual clothing and accessories. Users within the metaverse are increasingly seeking ways to express their digital identities, and creating a line of virtual fashion items allows individuals to personalize and enhance the appearance of their avatars. Metaverse consulting. Establish yourself as a trusted advisor in the metaverse consulting service. Offer strategic guidance to individuals and businesses navigating the complex metaverse landscape. Your consultancy services might cover emerging technologies, market trends, and a long-term strategy, helping clients make informed decisions in this dynamic environment. Metaverse education and training. Contribute to the growth of the metaverse ecosystem by becoming an educator and offering course of training programs. This could be arranged from virtual reality development to 3D modeling and metaverse business strategies. Empowering individuals with these skills necessary for success in the metaverse is not only fulfilling but also aligns with the growing demand for expertise in this field. Virtual fitness and wellness. Merge technology with well-being by creating and offering virtual fitness or wellness program within the metaverse. Develop virtual workout spaces, host wellness seminars, or even provide personalized fitness plans for users. Avatars. These innovative approach caters to the demographic increasingly conscious of both physical and digital well-being. Viral real estate brokerage. Position yourself as a virtual real estate broker, facilitating the buying and selling of virtual properties within the metaverse. Your role involves connecting buyers with sellers, navigating the intricacies of virtual real estate transactions, and earning commissions as transactions are successfully completed. NFT consultancy. Dive deep into the world of non-fungible tokens by offering consultancy services. Assist clients in understanding the inherent value of digital assets, guide them through navigating various NFT marketplaces, and help them strategically manage their NFT portfolios within the dynamic metaverse ecosystem. Metaverse gaming. Explore the convergence of gaming and the metaverse by developing and selling virtual games or gaming experiences. This could encompass the creation of immersive multiplayer games, virtual reality experiences, or augmented reality applications that captivate certain users within the metaverse. Alright, fellow metaverse enthusiasts, that wraps up our exploration of 12 incredible trailers for the metaverse. Which opportunity resonated with you the most? Are you ready crafting your virtual empire, or did we spark a new idea? Share your thoughts in the metaverse down below. If you find value in today's journey, give us a virtual thumbs up. Share this video with your digital comrades and don't forget to subscribe. For more metaverse marvels, until our next metaverse adventure, stay immersed, stay innovative, and I will catch you in the next video. Virtual high fives all around and happy hustling in the metaverse.